Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. So basically, to enter prank mode you need to only open the charging case, and if your earbuds do not connect it with another devices, earbuds enter to prank mode automatically. And right now, as you can see, I have it at the device list. But we can also enter to prank mode manually. And to do this, firstly you need to locate touch areas, and touch areas located at the back side of your earbuds, at the middle of your backside, right here between dot at the top and dot at the bottom. Right here we have it. So it's the same for the right earbud also, and you need to press and hold at the same time at the both of these touch areas. So now let me connect these earbuds with a phone, and I will show you at the second device that it works. So right here I have a phone what do not connect it with these earbuds, and now I just press and hold. Your earbuds you can use it as a charging case or outside from the charging case. So press and hold. I just put it to my ear because I don't hear this voice prompts here. Now here we go. I just press and hold at the both of these earbuds, and right here I enter to prank mode. I have it at the device list on my second device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!